Hello, this is Jason Chan, otherwise known as Coach J, and I'm here to demonstrate to you our coding tool called ArduBlockly. This is the way we program our technology robot. And we'll start with this basic structure, which is standard Arduino. It's run first is the first section, and then you got this loop forever in the second section. And you'll see the corresponding text-based code on the right-hand side of the screen, otherwise known as C/C++. And we'll do a typical first type of program where we will turn a pin on high to let the LED light up, and then we'll delay for about 3,000 milliseconds or 3 seconds, and then turn off that same LED. Let's start. Okay, I'm going to pull up a block called the set digital pin, and I'm going to drop it off in this loop forever section. On a count of 3, watch the right hand side and see the code translated dynamically real time from the left to the right. 1, 2, 3. Ka-ching! So see the set digital pin, it has now been translated into this textual based code. See the digital right, 0 high, and then it gives me an additional setup code, which is so cool. It takes care of all of this automatically for me. That's what I'm calling auto code. Okay, I don't want this pin 0. Let's switch this to pin 3. So I'm going to click on this and select 3. On a count of 3, you'll see on the right hand side the code being changed dynamically. 1, 2, 3. Look, in yellow highlighting is a corresponding change that I cause on the blocks. So here we go, 3, 3. Great. So we got that to be high. We're going to set this LED on for, let's say, 3 seconds. So I'm going to choose from the time category this wait block. And on count of 3, observe the right hand side. 1, 2, 3. You see this delay for 1,000? So let's change that 1,000 to, let's say, 3,000. So I'm going to type it in, 3, and watch the right hand side. It is being changed dynamically, my friend. Look, ka-ching. I'll press enter, and there it goes. We got 3,000 for the delay. So it'll wait for 3,000 milliseconds, otherwise known as 3 seconds, for this pin to stay on high. So let's turn the LED off now. So let's choose that same digital pin block, release on 3, 1, 2, 3. You see it being changed right now with this addition of that text code. Change it to 3, pin 3, 1, 2, 3, ding, and it does this auto cleanup as we speak. Now we see that pin 3 is high. I'm going to change that to what, my friends? Low. And look, it changed it correspondingly on the right hand side. And now let's clean this up and let's delay for another 3,000 milliseconds. Great. And let's change that from a 1 to a 3. And it's changed on the right hand side. So there you go. We have a complete cycle where we set this LED at pin 3 to be on. We hold that on for 3 seconds, and then we turn it off for another 3 seconds. And because this is a loop forever, it's going to go back to the very beginning, top block of this stack, and then kind of like rinse and repeat. It'll turn the LED back on, hold for 3 seconds, turn it off, hold another 3 seconds, and then go back to the tops of the stack and do it again and again, like a cycle over another cycle. Great. So there you go. This is ArduBlockly, our premier tool. And what is significant about this is other programming environments already have this graphical block, so this is nothing new, but we are industry leading by having this dynamically real-time translation from the concrete to the abstract. And you'll see this yellow highlighting to help us identify which is the latest code that we entered via the blocks. So this is really cool. It's like a bridge from graphics to text. And when you're done with the coding, then you can click on this icon button, which will upload this official standard text code into our technology bot. So there you go. This is it for the demo. So let's keep in touch. Tack on.